কমিটি একুজন আবো আংতাবো খরকসা মুং সাওয়ানো borok ni mung এবং boni portfolio boni je designation abang saono Sanjoy Jomatia president ang sakpang tei vice president Chokbai Hariang tini manda Phaimalia Chikon Debborma vice president Probir Jomatia general secretary Debsadon Jomatia organizing secretary Sukhendu Koloi treasurer Kam office secretary Hemendra Jomatia assistant treasurer Dinhai Lal Kaipeng member Uttam Kumar Jomatia member Lolit Mohan Jomatia member Ojoy Koloi member Jonathan Molsom member Krishna Riang member Gopal Debborma member Bud Kumar Koloi member Sohochandra Riang member Siki Chandra Molsom member Doyal Jomatia member Molindra Koloi member Lal Moi Kaipeng member Diren Riang member এই একজন নতুন কমিটি খাজাকা এবং এই কমিটি নিথানিও টিপ্রামথা আশা বিশ্বাস নারবো যে আগামী দিন সংগঠন বেলায় কারাক্তর আছে হামবাই